Coach Chloe here for a teeny tiny core workout. So I'm going to take you through a 5 to 7 minute core workout, and I would like you to give it a go and let me know how you go. So we're focusing on Pilates today. All of my core work is Pilates based. It's all focusing on correct engagement. So if you haven't yet done my blueberry tutorial, please go and do that, because it's going to be utilizing some really important techniques called the ACE method. And through that process, you're going to be able to feel the exercises deeper, stronger, and you're going to get so much more benefits from this workout if you've already gone and done the precursor towards this. Okay, so let's get onto the mat and start by doing a little bit of a workout. Okay, so coming into a plank position. So this is for, it will go for intermediates. Okay, intermediate to advanced. So if you're advanced, you can go on your toes. Intermediate, stay on your knees. All we're going to be doing from this position is picking up our blueberry, focusing on our tummy to spine. And from here, all we're going to do is keep our hips really still, and we're going for some shoulder taps. So keeping everything as still as we can, focusing on the breath, and using our tummy to control and support us through the movement. Awesome. So this is a really great way to warm up by doing something dynamic like this, because it's working our arms, it's working a little bit of our legs, and it's also working on the stabilizers of our tummy, which is a really nice way to warm up. Okay, so we're going to go for 3 more, and then for 2 more, and then last one, and then coming onto the side. So advanced, you can pop one foot in front onto the feet, intermediate on the knees, or one leg out. Okay, so from here we are going to go inhale, gently lower, exhale, lifting up and over, and just creating more of an arch in your waistline. Inhale to lower, exhale, lift up and over. Inhale and exhale, keeping that shoulder directly on top of the elbow, just to support the shoulder that little bit more. Exhale, inhale. Lengthen through the fingers, relax the neck and shoulders. It's all about control. It's not about speed. Not on this one anyway. Inhale. Now, when you are doing correct technique, you will notice you can do less and get so much more out of it. Okay, now from here, we're just going to hold, and we're going to lift the arm and leg from here, and we're just going to pulse the arm and leg. Okay, for 3 and 2 and 1, and then we're going to hold, and we're going inhale, lower, and then exhale to lift up and over again. Inhale to lower, and then exhale up and over. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Last one, and exhale, and dropping down. So that worked my butt a little bit as well. On to the other side. Okay, so 7 minutes is a great amount of time if you're doing efficient movement. So elbow under the shoulder. I'm on my knees. Actually, no, I'm keeping my feet together, aren't I? So inhale, lower, and exhale, lift up and create an arch through the waistline. Exhale, inhale. So I'm re-engaging my blueberry, I'm re-engaging my tummy as I'm lifting up, and it's helping to support my torso. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. That's it, relaxing neck and shoulder. Nothing should be tense except for the parts of the body that we're using. Exhale. Now on the next one, we're going to hold and we're going to reach. And then we're just going to gently pulse, lifting up through the waistline, little pulses. And then holding here, inhale, lower, exhale to lift. Keeping the hips facing me, relaxing through the neck and shoulder. Exhale, inhale, and exhale to lift. 2 to go. Exhale, inhale. Now, when you get really good at your engagement, you're going to feel the burn so much quicker. Drop down on your back. Okay, we're going into crisscross and then hundreds. Okay, so interlacing the fingers behind the head. Now if you're intermediate, or sorry, if you're beginner, you're going to stay low, like so. Now if you're intermediate, we're going like this. Exhale, inhale, pause. I'm re-engaging to cross. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, cross, inhale in the middle, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, cross, inhale, 2 more, inhale. Now I'm going to hold here and I'm going to lift and lower. Inhale. So I'm staying cross through the torso. Inhale. Exhale. Holding that leg, coming to the middle, reaching and back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, reach. Inhale. Exhale, reach. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hands back. So that is a little bit more upper ab. Exhale, cross, holding, tummy connected, and down. Exhale, control. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Pause here. Coming to the center. Tapping and back. Tapping and back. Really small. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Coming back to center. Slowly lowering both feet. Inhale, return. So keeping the hands supporting the neck. Head heavy in the hands. Inhale, return. Now your tummy should be lowering as the feet lower. We're not letting our tummies bulge up. We're lowering the tummy as the feet lower and then coming to center. Exhale, tummy lowers as the feet lower. Inhale, back. Tummy lowers. Inhale. So it's really controlling your engagement. 2 more. Inhale. Tummy lowers. Inhale. Okay, crisscross. We're going for 8. Cross. And cross. 2 to go. Last one. And slowly dropping it down. Oh, yes. Okay, onto the tummy. Last exercise. Reaching the arms and the legs away. We're just going to gently lift the upper and lower body, squeezing the butt, lengthen the fingers, and we're just gently swimming. So inhaling for 3 counts. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And pause. Now we're going to lift and lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. So I'm squeezing my butt. I'm lifting my tummy away from the floor. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Drop down and stretching it back. That's our little workout complete. Awesome work. Pop a comment below how it felt, where you felt it, how you went. I look forward to seeing you on another video. Bye.